Hello, what's up everyone? This is Mr. Lewis, the Science Smart Guy. Today we will be looking at breathing and respiration. Are they different or are they the same? Keep watching to find out. At the end of this video, you should be able to recall and identify the different parts of the respiratory system, recall the function and the location of the mitochondria, differentiate between breathing and respiration, explain the process of breathing, and explain the process of respiration. Before we start, however, we need to do some housekeeping. We need to review the structure and function of the respiratory system, and we need to review the location and the function of the mitochondria. The respiratory system is responsible for facilitating gaseous exchange between your body and the environment. It is made up of the nasal cavity, the pharynx, the larynx, the trachea, the bronchi, the bronchiole, the alveoli, the diaphragm, and the lungs. Another important structure to remember is the thoracic cavity. The thoracic cavity is that hollow space beneath your chest. The lungs are situated in the thoracic cavity, and they are surrounded by a protective membrane called the pleural membrane. The thoracic cavity can either increase or decrease in size. These changes in size are made possible by the intercostal muscles connected to the ribcage and the diaphragm. Now let us move on to the mitochondria. The mitochondria are organelles that are present in your cells. They are also called the powerhouse of cells, as they are responsible for making energy available to your entire body. Now we will take a look at the difference between breathing and respiration. Let us begin with breathing. Breathing is a mechanical process that involves inhalation and exhalation. But respiration is a chemical process that involves the breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen to release energy. Breathing is an involuntary process that is controlled by the brain. It involves the movement of air in and out of the lungs via the nose or the mouth. For you to breathe out, the thoracic cavity must contract. This increases the pressure inside the cavity and thus causes air to be forced out of the lungs. For you to breathe in, the thoracic cavity must expand. This decreases the pressure inside the cavity and thereby causes air to rush into the lungs. And now for respiration. Respiration is a process that is similar to the burning of fossil fuel. It involves the chemical reaction between oxygen and glucose to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy. The carbon dioxide and the water are waste products. Some of the energy released from the reaction is stored as ATP. This is an energy currency found in the body, and the remaining energy is used to keep the body warm. Respiration can be represented using the following word equation. Now let us recap. Remember, breathing is a mechanical process that involves inhalation and exhalation, whereas respiration is a chemical process that involves the breakdown of glucose in the presence of oxygen to release energy.